This is the Airbeast suppressor from Lethal Air. This is for the Texan range of airguns. It's a carbon fiber encased silencer with a built-in muzzle brake that helps to disperse the remaining air that exits the silencer sideways, and also helps to dampen some of the recoil. You see there? It's pretty cool. It only weighs 450 grams. I'm not too sure what that is in ounces. I think it's about 8.5 ounces. Sorry, about 12.5 ounces. I'm staying corrected. And there you can see what it looks like. This is on a Texan 308.